Hello, I am capital letter L.
Hi, letter L. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I am small letter L.
Hi, small letter L. Nice to meet you, too. Who are you?
I am lovely, loyal, letter L. That's who I am. L, L, L. Let's say L. We are lovely, loyal L's. Come learn with us today.
Come on, kids. Let's try. L, L, L. Let's clap our hands to letter L.
L, L, L. Let's clap our hands to letter L.
Who are you?
I am Lionel, the lion-hearted. I live in grassy savannas of Africa.
What is this?
A ladybug, dressed in a polka dot coat, decided to sail in tiny leaf boat. She landed on a flower to have a small nap, wearing her red wings like a little red cap.
What is this?
The lobster lives down in the deep blue sea. He waves his big claws at you and at me. He walks to the side with a click and a clack, wearing a hard shell right on his back.
What is this?
There once was a woolly little lamb who loved to eat bread and strawberry jam. He danced in the grass on his 4 little feet, saying, "Baba, life is sugary sweet."
What is this?
A bright green lizard with a very long tail sat on a rock and watched a slow snail. He did a little push-up, then gave a big grin with scales on his toes and spots on his chin.
What is this?
The leopard has spots from his head to his knee. He's the fastest cat that you'll ever see. He is great at hide and seek. It's true. By the time you say, "Spot," he has found you.
What is this?
The lilac is purple and smells like dream, sweeter than berries or chocolate cream. It sways in the wind with a nodding head. Time to wake up, the flower petals said.
What is this?
The big locomotive goes chug, chug, chew over the mountain and through the fog too, with a puff of white steam and a ring of the bell. He has many wonderful stories to tell.
What is this?
The lemon is yellow and bright, but one little bite gives your tongue a big fright. Pucker, the lemon is yellow and bright, but one little bite gives your tongue a big fright. His face is all squished and his eyes are shut tight. Ooh, that's sour. He yells with all of his might.
What letter did you learn today?
We learned letter L today. Lion, lilac, and lamb. Hooray! See you next time. Don't be late. For letter V, it will be great.